guys, Draco Wolfhorn here. I'm trying to be quiet because there is 3 cardinals. There's one over there, and there's like 2 over here somewhere. There's 3 males, 1 female, and there's a woodpecker right there somewhere. And there's one up above, right over there. Yeah, and there's all these deadly squirrels. We're at Lime Creek Nature Center, and I've never seen this many. Oh, there goes one. Cardinal just went that way, and I think 2 of them. They're flying around, fighting each other. And look at the sky. Look how dangerous this is. Look at those fluffy ears of dangerous. But yeah. These squirrels are so strange. But yeah, we were just sitting here.
They're asking if you want to help them find their nuts.
Oh, look at his head's poking out of the thing right there. Right above my finger.
I missed the one that went in the waterfall.
What?
There was a squirrel in the waterfall.
Apparently a squirrel went in the waterfall. But yeah, there was 3 cardinal males fighting over 1 female. And I've never seen that, and I had to make a video because I thought that was pretty cool.
See me.
I don't know if you can see him. He's got his head poking out. He's facing us right now. I think he sees us. You're on camera. I was waiting for him to bolt back into the thing.
Look at the other one on the pole.
He froze. He knows he's on camera. And then show you guys this. That right there is pointing at that. And I can watch everything without actually having to look outside. That's if you wanted to be lazy. But yeah. The squirrel's still. There's cardinal. I don't know if you guys can see this. It's hard to see. There's a cardinal right in this area. I think that's him right there. No, I can't zoom in on this thing. But yeah, there's a cardinal over there. And there's a whole bunch of water over there. I see a red pickup truck coming. And a squirrel on the tree. Oh my god, it's a deadly leaf. Right there. He's tickling his own butthole. But yeah. And the cardinal disappeared. But yeah, if you guys haven't noticed, all of these are all stuffed. That's my favorite, right there. Of the ones that are flying. But yeah, there's so many different creatures, and there's even live ones like this little fox snake. Say hi, little fox snake. And he is alive. Like this little snapper. Hey look, he likes TV, or likes being on camera. Mom, look, he likes being on camera. As soon as I put the camera down there, he started turning. See, he likes being on camera. He's like, make sure you get my good side. Yep. Yeah. And then there's a gardener snake, I think, in here. I don't know. He's back far in there.
He's like, I want more, I want more.
He calmed down as soon as I put the camera back on him a little bit.
Look at the jaws on him.
He's a feisty little one. And then, of course, there's toads up here. And then this largemouth bass. And then this, I think it's yellow perch, or
Yeah, perch.
they've got this pumpkin seed. I don't know.
Oh, yeah, that's, yeah. That's him. I don't see the perch. He must not be in there.
Yeah. But yeah, then there's salamanders up in here. This, yeah, red ear slider, like I was going to say. Also, red being interrupted. And then this little baby painted turtle. It's a cute little guy. But yeah, Snapper's kind of a feisty little guy. I'll bring you into a room that I think is one of my favorites so far. Okay, apparently it's not so squeaky right now. It was squeaky, like, really bad, like a little bit ago. Okay, here's the reason. I'll show you this side first. I love honey and I love bees. And these are all real. All living. That's all. Bees. Apparently there's a little red squirrel over there. And there's a little woodchuck right over there.
Here he comes, here he comes.
There's a little red squirrel.
That little bugger.
There's a little red squirrel, like right there. He's standing on his hind legs. A little bird flew up above us.
Oh, there he goes, there he goes. Oh, he's so cute.
Those ones are cuter than the ones we got. Look at that cute little thing. We should go walk the trails a little bit. And they got free magazines. The deadly squirrels. I'm gonna have to get a stick, make sure that the squirrels don't eat me. I better close this back so I don't get in trouble. Because it says, please close doors after viewing bees. And I didn't even read it completely, so I didn't realize that it was real bees. I thought maybe, it was just like bees as in like... My mom grabbed this magazine that says Sex on Earth. We always go for the free stuff. Oh, grabbing that for Cody. Cody loves snow leopards, and I just saw a magazine with a snow leopard. Holy moly. Look at that tree. That would be That's cool.
Cherry blossoms in China.
Cherry blossoms in China, and they're frozen over. That's sweet. That would be one awesome thing to see. There's a hunting one in here. I'm trying. It's so quiet in here that we feel like we should be quiet. It's like one of those places that, you know,
Like
you
a
could.
library.
Yeah, it's kind of like a library, except for it's quieter than a library. I mean, like, there's only one person here besides us, and they work here, so. But yeah, the reason why we kind of originally came here is to see if we could get one of these. It's a wood deck, or I said deck though.
Wood duck.
Wood duck nest box thing. It's funny I said wood duck or deck. Bleh, I didn't even say it. But yeah, that's a baby wood duck coming out of it. It's not alive or anything. But I also wanted to get one of these for bats. I always thought that would be kind of cool too. That one would be easy to make. Like that mushroom. I don't know if you can see that. Look at that big guy. Isn't that funny? Dude. Oh, wow. Better show you guys that. How shiny that is. Okay, this is Draco signing off with a close-up of a bobcat.